First, let's do the slower version. This is 64 clicks. Let's try it a little faster now. This is 92 clicks. I tried to demonstrate this etude with a slower version and a little faster version. You don't have to do it exactly like I did, but you can go faster or slower, whatever. This is really just depends on your abilities and your goals. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot. And also that way you won't miss a lot of the great content I post weekly here on my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to join my membership YouTube side or my Patreon side. That would mean a lot to me, and I would show your support so that I can continue to create more content for everyone. Thank you very, very much.